Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TECHWORSH. Day 3 of learning 30 AI tools in 30 days. If you are ready to supercharge your learning experience with TurboLearn AI, you are in the right place. So in this video, we are going to explore TurboLearn AI. Let's get started. It is basically used for creating notes based on audios, YouTube video, or any document. So first, to use TurboLearn AI, we have to navigate to their official website. To that, open your favorite web browser and search for TurboLearn AI. Here you can see www.turbolearn.ai. And you can see this official page of TurboLearn AI and click on get started. Now you have to log in with your account. After logging in, TurboLearn AI will ask some basic questions about describing you. You can select them as your wish or you can skip the questions. And here is the dashboard of your TurboLearn AI. From here on, you can create your own notes by using AI. As now I am using a YouTube video as my reference. For that I have to navigate to the YouTube and now search for TECHWORSH YouTube channel. Copy the video URL and go back to TurboLearn and click on YouTube video and paste your video link. Click on generate notes. In a few minutes your notes will be created. And here is the notes for the YouTube video that I have played in the YouTube. Not only creating a notes, it can also make quizzes and flashcards and podcasts. It can make accessible for using chat with AI. This AI will create his own quizzes based on the notes provided by the YouTube channel. You can go to quiz section and also participate quiz and test your own knowledge. Oh, that's surprise. I didn't even expect this. And let's head back to dashboard. In the same way, you can also create your own notes by using document also. To create that, first you have to open your document. And here on this, your notes is generated by using a document. And in the same way as YouTube video, you can also play quizzes and flashcards and listen to your own notes by using podcast option. And you have to choose your speakers and start listening. And you can also see transcript type of your notes. And let's head back to the dashboard. Well, you can see all your notes are here below. And click on these three dots where you can download your notes as PDF or you can delete as you want or you can rename it. Here I can see the notes generated by the TurboLearn AI. As also you can participate in quizzes and you can see your information in flashcards like slides for example, and podcasts also is available by choosing speakers and generate podcast. It will take several minutes. So now just back to dashboard. Like this, you can create your own notes by using TurboLearn AI. And that's it. Today you have just learned about TurboLearn AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to TechWorsh channel. For more great content, see you next time.